Welcome back to Celebrities in History. Today, we're unearthing 20 mind-blowing, weird, and wonderful celebrity events that happened on October 11 throughout history. From iconic birthdays to unforgettable moments, this date is packed with surprises that will leave you amazed. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the star-studded happenings of October 11. Number 20. Happy birthday to Cardi B, born on October 11, 1992. Turning 31 today, the rap queen continues to make money moves, and we can't get enough of her chart-topping hits. Number 19. On October 11, 1975, Saturday Night Live premiered on NBC. For 48 years, it's been keeping us laughing live from New York, thanks to comedic legends like Eddie Murphy and Tina Fey. Number 18. Luke Perry was born on October 11, 1966. The Beverly Hills 90,210 heartthrob passed away at 52, but Dylan McKay will forever be the coolest guy in school. Number 17. Happy 47th birthday to Emily Deschanel, born on October 11, 1976. Dr. Temperance Brennan from Bones proves that being brainy is the new black. Number 16. Daryl Hall of Hall & Oates was born on October 11, 1946. Turning 77 today, he's still making our dreams come true with timeless tunes. Number 15. On October 11, 1991, comedian Red Fox passed away at age 68. The Sanford and Son star left us laughing all the way to the junkyard. Number 14. Joan Cusack celebrates her 61st birthday today. Born on October 11, 1962, she's been stealing scenes and our hearts with her quirky roles. Number 13. On October 11, 2002, The Transporter starring Jason Statham zoomed into theaters. Action movies got a new bald-headed hero. Fasten your seatbelts. Number 12. Happy 70th birthday to David Morse, born on October 11, 1953. From The Green Mile to Disturbia, he's the character actor we all recognize but can't name, until now. Number 11. Eleanor Roosevelt was born on October 11, 1884. She died at 78, but left a legacy as First Lady and human rights advocate. Talk about a woman ahead of her time. Number 10. On October 11, 2006, MLB pitcher Corey Lytle tragically died in a plane crash at age 34. A sobering moment that shook the sports world. Number 9. Matt Bomer turns 46 today. Born on October 11, 1977. The white-collar star proves that con artists can be irresistibly charming, on screen at least. Number 8. On October 11, 1975, Bill and Hillary Clinton tied the knot. From Arkansas to the White House, this power couple's journey began. Cue the political love story. Number 7. Steve Young, NFL Hall of Famer, was born on October 11, 1961. Turning 62 today, he's still the only quarterback who could run like the wind and throw like a legend. Number 6. Michelle Trachtenberg celebrates her 38th birthday today. Born on October 11, 1985. From Harriet the Spy to Buffy, she's been kicking butt since childhood. Number 5. On October 11, 2011, American Horror Story premiered, giving us nightmares and a newfound appreciation for creepy clowns. Thanks, Ryan Murphy. Number 4. Dawn French turns 66 today. Born on October 11, 1957, the British comedian has been making us giggle with The Vicar of Dibley. Hallelujah for laughter. Number 3. On October 11, 1986, The Color of Money hit theaters, reuniting Paul Newman and Tom Cruise. Pool halls never looked so cool. Number 2. Art Blakey, legendary jazz drummer, was born on October 11, 1919. He died at 71 but left a beat that jazz enthusiasts still groove to. Number 1. On October 11, 1968, Apollo 7 launched, featuring the first live TV broadcast from space. Astronauts became the ultimate reality TV stars. Sorry, Kardashians. Thanks for joining us on this star-studded journey through October 11's most astonishing celebrity events. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on celebrities in history. Share your favorite October 11 moment in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more incredible stories from the past. And remember, every day is a chance to make history.